In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shapes and WordArt in PowerPoint 2013 to make your slides look more professional, creative, and visually engaging. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, business, or personal projects, mastering text styling can completely transform the way your slides look. I'll walk you step by step through selecting your text, applying WordArt styles, customizing text outlines, adding text effects, and adjusting text fill. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the text you want to enhance. You can either work with existing text or insert a new text box by going to the Insert tab and clicking Text Box. Once your text is on the slide, the very first step is to select the text. Simply click and drag your mouse over the words you want to format. If you want to apply the style to the entire text box, just click on the border of the text box instead. After selecting the text, look at the top of your screen and click on the Format tab. This tab appears under Drawing Tools whenever a text box or shape is selected. The Format tab contains all the advanced styling options that allow you to customize your text creatively. Now that you're inside the Format tab, locate the WordArt Styles section. You'll see a small arrow in the bottom corner of the WordArt Styles group. Click on that WordArt Style arrow to expand the full gallery of styles. Here, you can preview a variety of preset text designs, including different colors, gradients, outlines, and 3D effects. Hover your mouse over each style to see a live preview on your selected text. Once you find a style you like, simply click on it to apply it instantly. Next, let's customize the text outline. While still in the Format tab, click on Text Outline. This option allows you to add or modify the border around your text. You can choose a different color to make your text stand out more clearly against the background. You can also adjust the weight to make the outline thicker or thinner, and even choose dashed lines if you want a more unique look. Text outlines are especially useful when your slide background is busy or colorful. After adjusting the outline, click on Text Effects. This is where you can add special visual enhancements to your text. When you click Text Effects, you'll see options like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, and 3D rotation. For example, adding a subtle shadow can make your text look more dimensional. A glow effect can make it pop against darker backgrounds. Take a moment to explore these effects and experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your presentation style. Finally, let's adjust the text fill. Click on Text Fill in the Format tab. Here, you can change the inside color of your text. You can choose a solid color, apply a gradient for a smooth color transition, or even select a picture or texture fill for something more creative. Gradients are great for modern presentations, while solid colors keep things clean and professional. Choose the option that best matches your slide design and overall theme. And that's it. You've now learned how to select text, access the Format tab, apply WordArt styles, customize text outlines, add text effects, and modify text fill in PowerPoint 2013. These tools give you complete control over how your text appears and can dramatically improve the visual impact of your slides. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.